Let me ask you a question. Have you ever looked at your bank account and thought, is this it? You work hard. You stay up late, wake up early. You put in the hours, the hustle, the sacrifice, but your money still feels like it's sprinting out the back door while you're walking through the front. Sound familiar? You're not alone. Most people today are trapped in a cycle: earn, spend, stress, repeat. They're scared of investing, not because they don't want to grow, but because they've been burned before, or worse, they don't know where to start. So today I want to talk about 5 investments that don't just protect your money, but protect your sanity, your future, and your peace of mind. These aren't quick schemes, they're not flashy, but they're real, and they work. Before we begin, if you find value in this video, please like, subscribe, and drop a comment below telling us which investment inspired you the most. Your support helps more people like you discover life-changing stories. Investment number 1, index funds, the slow miracle. Imagine planting a tree. You water it every week. For months, you see nothing. No leaves, no fruit, nothing but dirt. And just when you think about giving up, something pushes through the soil, slowly, quietly. Then one day, shade, fruit, beauty. That's index funds. Marcus was a 39-year-old janitor at a high school in Georgia. He had no degree, no financial background, but he was curious. Every morning before work, he'd listen to finance podcasts while scrubbing lockers. He kept hearing one thing: invest in the market. Don't try to beat it, just be in it. So he opened a brokerage account, started with $100 a month. Didn't understand everything, didn't have a fancy strategy, but he had commitment. He invested in the S&P 500 index fund, rain or shine, good year or bad, and after 15 years, he had over $280,000. He didn't win the lottery. He didn't become a millionaire overnight, but he bought back his peace. He sent his daughter to college, and he retired with dignity, not debt. The market rewards consistency, not cleverness. It doesn't care how smart you are. It cares how long you stay. Investment number 2, real estate. Building what no one can take away. What if I told you that a single key could unlock not just a door but your future? Maria was a single mom of 3. She worked at a hospital cafeteria during the day and cleaned Airbnb units at night. One day, while cleaning an apartment, she asked the owner, "How did you buy this place?" He looked at her and said, "I used to clean floors too. Then I bought one, then another." That moment sparked something. Maria took financial literacy classes on weekends, saved every tip, every bonus. She stopped buying expensive wigs and started buying used books on real estate. 3 years later, she put a down payment on a duplex using an FHA loan. She lived in one unit, rented out the other, fixed toilets with YouTube, painted walls with her kids. It was messy, it was hard, but it was hers. Today, Maria owns 9 rental units. She went from sleeping on a couch to owning the building. Real estate isn't just property, it's power. It's proof that ownership is possible, even when the odds are not. Investment number 3, collectibles, turning passion into profit. Let's talk about something nobody takes seriously until it starts printing money. Eric was 45 and going through a brutal divorce. Depression hit him like a freight train. The only thing that gave him joy? His childhood comic books. He'd spend hours flipping through old pages, reliving the days when life was simple. Then one day he found a rare action figure at a flea market, bought it for $10, sold it online for $1,200. That win gave him purpose. He started buying and flipping vintage toys, coins, baseball cards, anything nostalgic. But he didn't treat it like a hobby. He treated it like a business. He cataloged every item, learned the market, tracked auctions. 10 years later, Eric's collection is worth over $850,000. But more than the money, it gave him confidence. He took something he loved and turned it into something that loved him back. The lesson: don't ignore what makes your heart beat. Hidden in your passion is a portfolio. If you're getting value from this video and want to see more content like this, Please hit the like button and smash the subscribe button. It means the world to me, and it really helps the channel grow. I'm on a mission to hit 100,000 subscribers, and with your support I know we can get there. Now that you've liked and subscribed, let's continue with our discussion. Investment number 4. Intellectual property. Turn your pain into products. You've been through things that would break most people. But what if I told you someone would pay to learn from your survival? Lena was a school teacher who survived cancer twice. During treatment, she started journaling, not to publish, just to process. But friends kept saying, "You should share this." So she did. She self-published a $7 ebook titled How I Fought and Found Peace. That ebook led to speaking engagements, a podcast, then a full course. She now licenses her cancer recovery framework to hospitals. She doesn't just make money, she makes meaning. Your trauma can be your treasure. Your experiences, when packaged and protected, become intellectual property. And intellectual property pays forever. If you've survived something, built something, learned something, teach it, share it, sell it. Investment number 5. Yourself, the one asset that outlives all others. Let me ask you the most important question. When was the last time you invested in you? Not your bills, not your kids, not your job. You. David was 60 and newly retired from a job he hated for 32 years. He thought retirement would bring joy, but instead, it brought silence, boredom, regret. His granddaughter bought him a beginner's piano, just a keyboard, nothing fancy. He started playing for 10 minutes a day, then 30 minutes, then hours. He enrolled in a community music class, made new friends, joined a jazz group. Within 2 years, he was playing gigs on weekends, getting paid, but more importantly, feeling alive. The human spirit doesn't die from old age. It dies from neglect. So take the class, get the coach, see the therapist, read the book, heal, grow, evolve. You are the only asset guaranteed to increase in value when you invest in it. So where do you begin? You begin with you. Then choose the investment that speaks to your soul, not just your salary. Let money serve your life, not define it, because the greatest return on investment is becoming the person you were meant to be. If this message stirred something in you, don't let it fade, like this video. Subscribe for more life-changing conversations, and drop a comment. Which of these investments are you ready to start? Together, we're not just building wealth, we're building you.